Welcome to Ninja Goodbye. My name is Umar Farooq and I am a Python developer who uses Python to automate some of the boring stuff around me. So, and in this video, I'm also showing you a project in which I use Python to automate the process of collecting information from Yellow Pages. The project is about collecting all the transportation services in all over the Canada. For that, first of all, I have found this category, and here we can see different cities. So we need to go to each city, and in each city we need to visit each company to get detailed information like the phone number, website, and other information. So I already created a Scrapy project for that, and let me quickly show you the demo. Okay, so I have deleted the old file which I generated through this program. So let me run it quickly. As the project is made in the Scrapy, so it will give you a high speed, and even you can scrap thousands of records within few minutes. Okay, let me just stop this scrapper. Okay. Uh, Okay, within a half minute or less, it scraped 2000 records, and we can also verify the data. Uh, Let me resize all of the column. Okay, that looks good. We can also verify the data. Yeah. Okay, clocks, and this is the address. Phone number is ending with 3533, and the website is 3533, and the website is clocks transport limited, which is exactly this one. So the data is accurate. So I think that's it for this video, and if you have any question, just leave a comment about this, and you can also contact me about this if you need the scrapper on my email iumrfarook, and if you need data, I can also provide you that. That's it for the no that's it for this video. So goodbye, have a good day.